Hi everyone, it's me Neema and I'm here today to share this wonderful eggless chocolate mousse dessert made with just 2 ingredients in no time. So let's get started. First, let's melt 200 grams of chopped chocolate along with 100 ml of whipping cream. On a double boiler. Our chocolate has started melting. It's ready. Now let's leave it aside to cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, let's whisk 300 ml of chilled whipping cream in a separate bowl until soft peaks form. Further, slowly add the chocolate portions in batches and continue to whisk . Our chocolate has been mixed properly and the mousse is all set. Now you can either scoop it to a glass bowl or using a piping bag you can pipe it into a glass and serve it chilled. And let's finish it up with some sprinkles. Do try this dessert and enjoy with your dear ones. Same time, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay tuned.